Guys, in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to stake LP tokens in PantherSwap in order to earn Panther. So generally we are going to stake the LP tokens in the farms, and I've had some members asking me about how to do it on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to just show you guys how to do it. So in my wallet I'm having a few Panther. I'm having only 16 Panther, and I'm going to use that in order to stake the LP tokens. So I'm going to use the BNB Panther swap, no, BNB Panther LP, so that I can do that for you guys. So the first step, you should be having an equal number of Panther and BNB in dollar value. So we are going to check on that. So we go to the menu, and then we go to farms menu, then farms, and these are the farms. So if you are a beginner, if you haven't yet done any stake, your contract will be like this. So if we have to take an example of Panther BUSD, it will be having this word approve contract. So you should need to first approve the contract, and then you provide liquidity. But in this case, I have already staked the Panther BNB LP, and this is how my contract looks like. There is no, instead of having approve contract, there is the word Panther BNB staked. So in the first step, you should approve the contract, then you should follow what I'm going to show you in this video. So that's it. So then after approving the contract, you go and provide liquidity. You go back to the menu, and then you go to trade, you go to liquidity, so then we click on add liquidity. Now I'm going to use the BNB Panther LP. So under here input, I choose the currency, I choose Panther. So I'm going to use my maximum Panther I have in the wallet, which is 16. So I click on Panther maximum, and then it will provide me with an equivalent number of BNB that I'll require. So in my wallet I'm having 0.04 BNB, so I'll only need 0.032 BNB. So after doing that, I click on supply, and then I confirm the supply. To bring the confirmation, I'll need $11 in total, so I approve, and then I wait. So after that, the LP, where you see it has appeared down here, where you see Panther stock BNB, so it has appeared. Now what I have to do is I have to go back to the farms. These are the farms, and I choose the farm that I've added liquidity to. You can't choose a farm where you have not added liquidity to. So it is slow, I don't know why. So the farms have shown. Now this is my Panther BNB LP farm. So now I've already staked in this, so I'll have to click on the positive, where you see here down negative positive. I click on the positive, and it will show the Panther BNB LP that I've provided in liquidity, which is 0.5. I click on max, and then I confirm. So it is pending confirmation, as you can see. Then I approve. Then after pending confirmation, it will be done. As you can see now, it is done. So guys, that's how we provide, or we stake LP tokens to earn Panther in the farms. And guys, please check out the Telegram and Twitter of PantherSwap. These guys have got awesome information here that you keep up to date. This is their Telegram. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and this is their Twitter. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description. So, and PantherSwap, it is new, but it is doing really well. So it is already in the top 15 dApps by active users. As you can see here, it is having 72,000 people in active users. So it's a very good project, and I would emphasize you guys to join it. I'm gonna leave my link in the description of this video, and also tutorials to help you on how to get started in PantherSwap. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next video.